Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up Asly Tunnel VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So, if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing and sharing this tutorial to your friend, and don't forget to like the tutorial. So let us start up our tutorial by opening our Google Play Store, and we download this application. I recommend you guys to use Google Play Store while downloading this application. For maximum security, you're going to type in Asly Tunnel VPN. So this is the application. Take a note of the app icon, take note of the app name, and that is it. So you're going to download this application in your device, and after you're going to open it. Now this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and community guidelines. So make sure that you allow all the required permissions, including the notification permission. And then this is how you're going to set it up. In the first place, you're going to come right here where I'm pointing on those menu slashes, and then I'm going to check onto them and look for this option, the first option, which is update nodes. The reason why you want to update nodes is only because I want you guys to use the fastest updated servers, because once you use these servers without updating them, this application will automatically slow down. So I recommend you to update the nodes, and then you're going to be able to have a new update, and this will be the version, and that will be the welcome note. This is what we're going to do next. You're going to come and check onto auto select server, and then you're going to be seeing all those servers. Now this is what I recommend you guys. I recommend you to use a server that is from your country's location, or that is near to your country's location. Or if you are not able to see that server, I can recommend you to keep in the auto select server, or if you're not able to spot it out, keep in the auto select server. Now lastly, we are going to come where you see AA right here, where I'm AA there. So you're going to tap onto that, and then you'll be able to see the list of recommended servers that will be recommended on your network in your country. So for all countries UDP servers, you're going to come from recommended to all country, and then we shall look for all countries servers. So I recommend you to scroll and look for your country's server. But if you're not able to see that server from your country, we're going to scroll and look for. We have many countries servers right here. Let me show you. Those are all servers from different locations. Now, I recommend you to use this one, all country UDP. It will be working in all countries and on all networks to provide you with a secure connection. And that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maru's Tech. So you're going to just connect, accept the connection request. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maru's Tech, and I sign out. It has connected successfully. Don't forget to subscribe, share it for more tutorials like this.